Despite the availability of modern medical treatment methods, many are still opting for the natural healing method to avoid side effects and getting as many savings as possible from the treatment. In most cases, herbal products today vary according to their formulation and functions. Most of the ones you see today are carefully formulated for weight loss. Some come in the form of diet supplements to give the body enough energy to last the day, as well as to build up the immune system to ward off any signs of ailments easily. Herbal medicines are proven to be safe by many doctors and medical experts today. It is formulated with 100% natural ingredients that have no side effects in the body unless taken in large doses outside the boundaries of the prescription. Since the ingredients are mostly from plant and animal extracts, they are cheaper compared to synthetic medicines developed by pharmaceutical companies today. One of the advantages of using herbal medicine is that it promotes the natural healing method. Unlike synthetic drugs that only affect a specific part of our body or only address one type of health problem, herbal medicines are formulated to boost every single function in the human anatomy. If you see that one herbal product is for weight loss, then you can be sure that it has some extra ingredients that have other functions that are related to weight loss, like hunger suppressant, added nutrients, and so on. To add to your knowledge about herbal medicines, here are some examples of the famous ones being used today. The ever-popular garlic. Garlic is one of the most potent herbal medicines used as home remedies today. It has the greatest number of uses compared to other plants used in herbal products. Aside from being a useful kitchen spice for a great recipe, garlic can also be used to keep your heart and liver healthy. They are great for the common cold and offer a tasty brew when used as a health drink. One of the medicinal qualities of garlic is its ability to treat heart problems. It is a common remedy for people with high blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and reduces the risk of heart attacks. Many also use garlic as an antibacterial agent for many skin conditions. Green tea leaves. The green tea leaves you see in the market today is actually a potent herbal medicine if used correctly. Drinking it at least twice a day can help oxidize your fat to make it easier for your body to burn. This is a great dietary supplement for people who are suffering from overweight or obesity with high cholesterol levels. Many say that green tea leaves also has a calming effect that is perfect for those who are always under the mercy of stress. Its extracts have the ability to get rid of nasty toxins in our body that usually cause signs of aging to appear on our face or in other parts of the body. You can either take them as tea or buy them as pills. There are other alternative herbal medicines used to promote a healthy body. Keep in mind that you have to be specific with what you want for your treatment before using them to avoid complications. Just make sure that it is from a credible medical or pharmaceutical company, as well as follow the exact prescription or dosage to ensure that you won't be having any problems with it during and after use. Natural healing method. Using alternative herbal medicine. Medical practitioners of the Orient are known to incorporate natural healing methods with alternative herbal medicines. Instead of undergoing expensive medical treatment using synthetic and modern technologies, many find the natural method along with alternative herbal medicine a cost-effective solution to achieve perfect health. The belief of natural healing involves the use of 100% natural techniques and ingredients to promote better health. Synthetic medicines and modern medical technology are known to have side effects that may prove to be fatal if not properly administered or performed. The benefits of the natural healing method. This method delves into the capability of the human body to adapt and recover without any outside help. Our bodies are equipped with their own defense mechanism towards illnesses and diseases. The method aims to strengthen this ability to boost the immune system to fight off health-related problems without any side effects or complications. Natural healing doesn't only deal with physical health problems. In fact, it has been documented and proven that this method can also be used for mental and emotional ailments. Certain herbal compounds are known to induce relaxation to help a person deal with stress without having to take in synthetic products that can cause side effects to crop up during use. Certain plant extracts and aroma can directly affect the mind when inhaled and is most often used on patients suffering from behavioral problems. There are also some plants that can help the body relax when applied directly to the skin, like peppermint extract that can relax tight muscles that are usually attributed to stress. The natural healing method with herbal medicines can also help in weight loss programs for a slimmer and healthier body. Acupuncture. The art of acupuncture originated from the Chinese. It delves into the energy pathways in the human body called meridians. The Oriental health experts believe that ailments and diseases are caused by blocked meridians that disrupt the flow of positive healing energy from circulating throughout the body. Needles charged with positive energy are inserted into these meridian points to clear up the blockage, as well as to stimulate the flow of healthy energy deep within the body. Certain herbal medicines and concoctions are administered to their patients to increase the volume of healing energy for a full body recovery. Reiki and Qigong. Reiki and Qigong involve the healing of an individual using the positive energies of both the practitioner and those that stem from the universe. The practitioner of the art inscribes symbols upon the afflicted area on the human body and directs their energies into it for healing. Herbal medicines are given to their patients to amplify these positive energies for the treatment to yield beneficial results. Proper use of herbal medicines. Despite the safe and beneficial results of using natural healing methods with alternative herbal medicine, there is a possibility that some adverse reactions might take place that might become a problem when left unchecked. Despite the natural ingredients used in herbal products, we can never deny the fact that our body's chemistry might react to it. There are even some natural healing methods that might cause problems instead of getting rid of it. Such is the case, it is very important to consult an expert first before undertaking this solution. Have a full body checkup with your doctor and subject yourself to a complete laboratory exam to determine whether your body can use the treatment method safely or not. The disease isn't complicated, it's really very easy, and the application of good sense techniques may defeat any disease. All microbes and viruses are weak and may be defeated easily with cleaning and nutrition. The disease is a joke if you recognize what to do and you're willing to do what it takes to heal yourself. And as it states, the knowledge is power. Learn about the powerful healing properties of herbs with the increase of diseases, illnesses, and ailments. Sometimes turning to just medical science is not enough. Besides being costly, some of the treatments can be long and stressful, further adding to the already depressive conditions. The use of herbal healing as a form of treatment is almost considered normal in non-industrialized countries. Here the traditions dictate the use of herbal healing. Herbal healing is fast gaining popularity in the past decade. Though practiced in many ancient cultures as the first recourse to healing, it is just becoming a sought-after style of healing for the modern world. The availability of herbal healing products is no longer limited to what the older generation can prepare but is now available for all, in drug stores, supermarkets, pharmacies, and other conventional outlets. With thousands of herbs and combinations available to treat the various ailments, all it takes is a little research to find the ones that suit the needs at hand. Though considered relatively safe because of the natural factor these herbs consist of, nevertheless it would be wise to seek the guidance of someone who is well versed in the practice of using herbs to heal, treat or control a certain condition. As most of the herbal concoctions are fairly concentrated, there may be the danger that some of the ingredients, though natural, may have adverse effects on the individual. The basis of many pharmaceutical forays is in the vast possibilities of herbal healing compounds and ingredients. A lot of money and time is put into the researchers of finding and promoting the next best herbal cure for the various medical conditions the world faces today. This is further recommended because of the little or no side effects in its consumption and also because of all the natural elements it contains when compared to chemically based and produced medications. Treating wounds with herbs. There are lots of different herbs for different uses, made available by nature itself. Treating wounds with simple ingredients found in a household is not uncommon. A person who prefers to treat ailments the natural way should take the time to compile a simple list of some common herbs and keep these herbs at hand for quick and easy use. It's very handy to have some knowledge of herbs used for treating wounds for children. Almost every day a child will manage to get him or herself hurt while playing, thus having these quick easy remedies available would eliminate the need to run to a medical facility often. The aloe herb contains compounds that can reduce inflammation, swelling, and redness of wounds. This herb should be applied directly to the wound after a simple cleaning exercise is done to rid the wound of any unwanted particles. The naturally secreted gel works wonders for superficial wounds. Calendula officinalis is another herb that can successfully treat wounds. The flavonoids and antioxidants it contains help to speed up the healing process by increasing the blood flow to the wound. This ingredient can be applied topically and is also a popular ingredient in creams and ointments. Slippery elm, a tree native to North America, can also be used to treat wounds. Slippery elm is also found in powder form but should be applied around the wound and not directly into an open wound. Other more familiar herbs used to treat wounds are lavender, which not only helps the healing process but also acts as a germ-killing agent. Tea tree oil also disinfects while healing wounds. This particular herb works at quite a fast pace in the healing process. Echinacea, marigold, and myrrh are also good healing agents for wounds. All these can be applied to the wound. All these can be applied to the wounds by simply diluting a little herbal tincture with water. Treating cancer with herbs. As cancer is now becoming a common and feared disease, the race is on to find a cure that is quick, easy, and accessible to everyone. Most of the current medical options available are either too costly or simply too stressful. However, as most people have no choice, they either opt not to have any treatment or decide to go through the suffering with the hope of gaining back some semblance of their previous lives. Herbal remedies offer an alternative. Some people recommend that these herbal remedies are used alongside the current ongoing treatments and some don't. The deciding factor would be the level of advancement the cancer stage is in. Also, to be noted is the type of cancer the patient is suffering from, as different herbs work differently to address the various conditions caused by cancer. Below are some tried and true herbs used to treat specific cancer conditions: breast cancer, broccoli and green tea; colon cancer, broccoli; esophageal cancer, green tea; general cancer, aloe vera; liver cancer, green tea; lung cancer, aloe vera; pancreatic cancer, green tea; preventive cancer, broccoli, carrot, tarragon; prostate cancer, aloe vera, fennel, and green tea; rectal cancer, broccoli; skin cancer, green tea; stomach cancer, aloe vera, broccoli, garlic; testicular cancer, periwinkle cancer treatment, aloe vera, echinacea, lantana; and violet cancer, sores, golden seal, lavender. There are also some herbs that help to keep the body in better shape, so it then is equipped with the necessary elements to fight off the cancer cell or arrest its progressive destructive state. Herbs like astragalus, dong quai, echinacea, shiitake, and maitake mushrooms all have these properties to help in the fight against cancer. However, relying on these herbs alone is not advisable. Another herb that is popular in arresting the cancer cells from its destructive nature is the mistletoe. Mistletoe preparations are commonly used to stimulate the immune system and to kill cancer cells effectively. In some extreme cases, it has been noted to shrink cancer-causing tumors.